trouble for being I perceived. Last week she was in trouble for wearing a bikini into a bag.
A bunch of trash. How can you read useless stuff like that?
It's fun to read. Lighten up. What are you reading?
It's about the global economic situation. The Irish economy is in big trouble. Do you know where Ireland is?
No.
But you know where Julia Perez is.
Yeah, she's in court.
You know, you should pay more attention to important news. That's just a bunch of tabloid garbage.
If people like to read it, what's the problem?
You know, people liking to read is the problem.
Dalam dialog ini, seorang laki-laki mengkritik apa yang sedang baca perempuan itu. Dia menyebutkan a bunch of trash. Kata itu a bunch itu digunakan dengan sesuatu yang bisa dihitung. For example, there are a bunch of trees. She has a bunch of friends. I have a bunch of things to do today. Kemudian, dia mengatakan stuff. Stuff digunakan dengan sesuatu yang bisa atau tidak bisa dihitung. For example, I have stuff to do today. There's some stuff on my mind. There's some stuff on my shirt. Keduanya sangat berguna dalam bahasa Inggris yang casual.
A bunch of trash. How can you read useless?
Wanita itu mengatakan padanya dia untuk lighten up. Ini berarti untuk tidak menjadikan terlalu serius tentang sesuatu. Jika seseorang heavy atau marah tanpa alasan, kita seringkali mengatakan padanya dia untuk lighten up.
It's fun to read. Lighten up.
Wanita itu mengatakan keadaannya in trouble. Kita menggunakan structure ini in plus noun untuk menjelaskan situasi yang kita terangkap. For example, she's in love. They're in a big hurry. I'm in a lot of confusion. Wanita itu mengatakan it's fun to read. Struktur ini sangat berguna untuk membuat komentar atau evaluasi tentang sesuatu. Noun plus adjective plus to plus verb. Biasanya, kita menggunakan struktur ini dengan kata yang positif atau negatif, sama good, bad, hard, easy. For example, Chinese is difficult to learn. This job is easy to do. The water is safe to drink.
It's fun to read. Lighten up.
At the end of the dialogue, word stress is important for emphasizing and making the joke. Laki-laki itu mengatakan, people liking it is the problem. This is very different from, people liking it is the problem. Aku menekankan kata itu is, karena mungkin perempuan itu tidak tahu itu. It is the problem.
People like to read it. What's the problem?
People liking to read it is the problem. Anyway, how's the coffee?
Yeah, it's good.
You know what this is? All the Shirley Temple.
Oh.